Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. 80 years ago, D-Day started, but also today it's the first election day, European election day, yes. And the kickoff is in our country, the Netherlands, yes. All right, enough. Let's get started with this one. This one will be number 8669. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. 15 printed digits. Wow. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, O. So the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then, well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. Then. Well. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.